you want to say?
What do you think?
Do you know Francisco was
Open.
Okay. Say that was from Nana. What do you say?
This is Nana.
What do you say?
I will not send you back.
What do you say when somebody gives you something?
Why did Christine call you?
Ooh, train.
Yeah. Hey you. What do you say?
Tea.
No, you say thank you. Or you sneeze. God bless you. Bless you.
Open.
Can you say thank you to Nana?
Take a Nina.
Blow kisses. And say thank you, Papa Tony.
Take a tap in
Can you say Papa Tony?
Sip doing.
Haha, you're getting there. Alright, I'll open it for you.
Open me.
Okay.
Aww.
You're excited, aren't you?
Cherry. Go on.
Oh, here we go. What's this? What's this? Oh, this goes with your one that's electric. What do you think? We're watching something very serious in the background. Give a kiss. Alright, say bye-bye. He's too excited.
Open me.
Okay.